Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop vlog. Hello everyone, well I haven't got much to report on in this vlog, to be quite honest. Firstly, I'd just like to thank Sean at SE Woodworking. If you haven't followed any of my posts or anything, I won his giveaway for some Tool Freak safety glasses. I got 4 pairs. I've got a pair here hanging up there for the grinder. So I received them really nicely and quickly. Secondly, my 100 sub giveaway was eventually won by Paul Desmond, and that's all been sent to him in the States. I've sent out quite a few stickers to people, so hopefully they'll be receiving those. As you may have, if you've seen me on Facebook and put a post on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, at the weekend I was trying to turn a piece of purple heart, and basically my tools weren't sharp enough and the jig that I was using to sharpen them wasn't sharpening them as I would like. So I pleaded and begged to the wife, and eventually bought myself one of these little beauties. I will be doing a bit of a review in one of my posts, in one of my project videos, just to do it. You've seen I've did an unboxing one, so I've been playing around with it and had a few grinds on it and everything like that, so I sort of get in the feel of using the machine. And yes, it is a hell of a lot better, and really pleased with the purchase. Oh, another thing is, I'll see if I can zoom you in a little bit. We'll go for a little walk. Received a sticker from, I hope you can get this, from Sharpeys workshop. That's Paul Sharp. He's got one there, and he's got one on the lathe as well. So that's all the sticker updates. Few projects coming up. Like I say, I'm doing one at the moment on the lathe with a piece of purple heart. Hopefully that's going to be quite interesting when I post that one. I've got a little bit of something I want to put in there which maybe is slightly different to most people. I hope. I've only seen it in a ring, so watch out for that. And another video, I've got this piece of, as you can see, it's quite long. It's the windowsill from a window frame. Where else would a windowsill come from? A friend of mine at work, or a work colleague, whatever you want to call them, had an old mahogany window frame that he has had quite a while sitting around doing nothing. So he knew he couldn't use it, so he decided to ask me if I wanted it, in return for that piece being made into a horse stable sign. That's for his wife, and the name of the horse is Dodge. So I'm going to make the sign with routed out and possibly a bit of pyrography from the wife on it as well. So that'll be quite interesting. I'm going to try and see if she's going to be willing to have it filmed when she does it. So I don't think she'll want to be in it, but she might just see the her doing it. So that'll be quite interesting, I hope. Apart from that, work on the new extension for the shed, or the workshop. Not shed, it's a workshop, isn't it? It's a workshop. Yes. That's why I keep telling the wife it's not a shed. It's got to be a workshop. Do you want to go and have a look? It's not too exciting, but here we go. If we can get out the door properly. Just move a couple of things. So, if you can see, I've just ripped out, oh sorry, I'm getting stuck on the door. Let me see what you can see. So I've started ripping out most of the decking and everything. So once all that's gone, then we can start putting the hard base down eventually when my builder has the time to come and do it. So progress eventually after all this horrible weather. Well, actually I quite like the snow. I don't know about anyone else, but I quite like it. It's when it starts going away when I don't like it. You've got all that mushy, slushy, yucky stuff. But when it's nice and snowy and white, it's lovely to drive in. So, anyway guys, that's me. It's me done for this vlog. Oh, before I go, actually, one thing I have to mention, I've just become a member of the Makers Media Network. It's a great site where loads and loads of makers get together and have a good old chat and see what everyone else is doing and promote themselves and everything like that. So that was a good thing that happened over the weekend, and that was it. So hope everyone has a good working week, and I hope you have a good working week in your sheds and your workshops and whatever you're making or doing. And that's goodbye from me, guys. Bye.